welcome to Food to See You. So
Today,
yes.
I am taking you somewhere. We are going to Miss Bindu's house today. Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Fine.
So, what are we doing today is we've got some lovely fish. Okay. So, lovely tender coconuts from the garden here. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this and we will do a fish curry and we will cook it inside these tender coconuts. We will also use this and we will make some egg rolls. And then we've got some jackfruits here. So I will try and make a dessert with this.
Yeah.
So let's start.
Let's start off. So what do you want
cutting.
to make first?
So what you have to do is you have to mix it and knead it into a dough.
Dough.
So what we will do now is we will take this fish and we will put some mustard paste into this and we will keep it aside for this is actually a Bengali dish. This is called chingri dap. We are doing it with fish here. I'll give it a local virgin taste as well. And yes, so this is done. I will cut a little bit of lemon and I will put some lemon juice in this. Now it's done, we will keep it aside. So now our first marination was ready. Now what we will do is we will chop ingredients. I have got some lovely...
That's my favorite, chef. Don't tempt me. It's really my favorite.
Okay, what do you call this in local language?
Nelikya.
Nelikya. You've got some nice kandari chilies.
Kandari, same thing, Anna.
Yes, so what we will do is we will chop some onions.
This is kandari.
The spicy chili.
Yeah, the very spicy chili. It helps to burn cholesterol really well.
Is it?
Yeah.
So now this is the time for our second marination.
Okay.
Okay. So we will add salt
Salt.
and then we will add chili powder
Chili powder.
and we will add
Haldi.
haldi.
Kurcha.
Then mix it nicely. This is done. Now we will keep this for some time. In the meantime, my pan is getting hot. Okay, so we will start cooking the onions and we will saute. We'll half cook it in the pan and then half cook we'll do it on a different way.
Oh, all right.
Okay, so now we will take a little bit of oil. Then you'll add some garlic.
We added the green chilies and the garlic.
Yes. And then now what we will do is we will add the onions.
So, ek saath, all together. Huh?
Yeah. The tender coconut malai, we call it malai. Just roughly chopping it. We will add this also, not now, little later once the fish is done.
Yeah.
We will add the fish. Well, fish has already, because it was a frozen fish, it already has some water. So what we will do now is, after the fish is almost half cooked, we will take the fish and we will put it inside. And then we will cover it with the dough and we will bake it in the oven. As of now what we'll do is, we will just cover it so that it is cooking. The fish is done and then we will put it inside, we will bake it. In the meantime, what we will do is, we will start making our second dish.
Second.
Our second dish is egg roll. I'm adding
Some tulsi.
into
Again
it.
from your garden. Yeah.
Now I will add a little bit of cream in it. I have replaced the coconut milk. do now is I will add a little bit of coconut water in this, the tender coconut water. This is called chingri da. So why I have covered with on top is so that all the flavors which are there, when it is cooking, all the flavors will be inside.
Fine, okay.
So just little cooking, not too much, and then we'll keep it on the side. It should be crunchy, nice. Warm it up nicely, little bit of oil. That's it. Basically, just a grilling effect to it. What we will do now is we will add the egg.
Oh.
So this is done. So what we will do is we will keep this here and we will cook our another roti. Done.
Done.
So we will just keep it here.
Okay.
Keep this here. And we have everything what we need here. Now what we will do is a little bit of kasundi. Not too much, it's strong. So this is enough. So a little bit of ketchup. And then we will add our vegetables. And a bit of lemon juice.
Oda sa nimbu.
Yes. What we will do now is we will roll this. Egg rolls, both are done.
Done.
So now what we are doing is we are making the dessert. So I have some normal flour with me. Okay, I'm adding a little bit of baking soda in this. This will help as raising agent. And I will add a little bit of egg. This we have to make it as a batter. So now what we are doing is we have taken the chakka. We'll caramelize the sugar.
Okay.
Elnir mean is also ready. So what we will do is we will keep this also on the side. Now what we are doing is we have some nice chor. So I'm gonna make this also a little bit interesting. We will add the ghee.
Ghee.
Not too much, just for the flavor.
We have some cashews
Cashew
also.
nuts, some raisins.
Okay.
Roast them nicely, fry them in the ghee. They will leave all the flavor nicely, the flavors will go. We will add some tulsi.
Tulsi, and we have some chopped
Capsicum.
capsicums. Wow.
Now we will add
Some rice.
rice into this. And so we will add a little bit of salt. And so our chor is also ready. Here is the special dish which I said, fish in the coconut.
So Arvind and Jyoti, along with Bindu ma'am, we can have a great lunch.
Yes, I think they are tired. They've just come from school, so let them have food.
Yes,
Let them
exactly.
you guys enjoy and see you all once again at Meridian someday. That is another episode of Food to See You. Keep watching. We are coming to your house. The next bell might be us. Stay tuned.
To see you again, back to food to see you next week. Take care. Bye-bye.